Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mad Investor. So, in this video, I would like to review and show you around the Biswap DEX. And why is that? At first, this is a really big project, and one of the things which actually made me interested when I came across with it is that they were a part of the Binance Labs strategic investment. So Binance actually has made an investment in Biswap, which is a popular project on Binance Smart Chain. And then shortly after what I saw, it got listed, the BSW token, in the innovation zone on Binance. So obviously we're not talking a small DEX here, and we're actually talking about the established project. And that's why, as you know, I like to cover some of the ones which are, have the nice features and advantages, but obviously we have some ground there. And obviously one of the things which I also realized is that they have they're audited by Certic, which is also a good thing in general. So what I would like to talk about today is how does it work and what are the advantages and why I actually like to cover that Biswap. The thing which I really like, and the first one, is that the lowest trade fee in the DeFi space, which is 0.1%. That's really low when it comes to the DEXs, and I think it's pretty great when it comes to swap and trade. This is something which, you look at the money, obviously you don't want to pay high fees. And the second thing which, took my attention was the total trading volume, which at the current moment I record this video, it's $45 billion. So obviously we're looking at lots of money within that exchange. So what I like, I want to show you a bit some of the functions which I think you will be interested in. It's obviously, I like to cover options to stake, earn, farm, launch pools, etc. So you have that, early stages advantages, or sometimes cool things which are appearing online which you might have missed. So let's talk about the function of Biswap. But before I do that, please remember to use the link in the description of this video so you'll grab extra percentage off when you actually register and work with Biswap. So when you go to trade and you go to exchange, you obviously have the option to trade with the lowest fee, which is 0.1%. So you can swap, you can do liquidity and add liquidity LP tokens, and you can actually see your transactions. So it's pretty simple. You can swap BNB to some of the other tokens which are on the platform. So then you have also the liquidity, so you can start earning from LP tokens and obviously for farming and pools. And then you have the earn options. So obviously we'll start with the farms, and I think this is pretty cool of what's happening because I like the percentages which I saw within the platform. So for example, we can see USDT BSW, which is the pair of USDT and their token BSW, has 59% of the APY at the moment I record this video. That's pretty great percentage looking at what state of the market is right now, which is giving you around 5% per month. I think that's a pretty great return on investments. Then you have obviously BNB, BSW, but remember with BNB, BSW, like there are two tokens which are fluctuating. Obviously with USDT it's easier because only USDT is the stable coin and only BSW is fluctuating, right? With BNB and BSW, if the market's going down, probably both of them will go down. So you need to be just aware of the risk. Obviously it's giving you a higher percentage, but I think this is a better option because only BSW will fluctuate. And obviously you have others like BFG with BSW, which gives you 93%, and some of them like Age of Gods, which is AOG BUSD, which is AOG token with a stablecoin BUSD 109, or GST USDC. So this is the one which you probably might be interested in, as GST is a token from Stepan. And there is a lot of talk about Stepan right now. And I see that a lot of people are looking into that. They're farming and they're actually making their coin through the walking and the whole promotion which is happening there. But look, 180%. That's around 15% a month. That's a big percentage, right? So it's definitely something worth looking into. As you can see, some of the percentages are really high here, which offers nice return. Just please remember that there's always a risk which includes that. And obviously I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just showing you options which I'm using, and I think that will be nice for you too. So obviously you have seen the category of life, then main, you can see innovation, gamify. So you can actually set yourself of what's kind of in more interest to you. And then they also have the launch pool, so you can use your token to get more tokens. You can stake BSW to get some other tokens, so you can have a holder pool, auto BSW, earn BSW. So also the percentage here, it's pretty cool. As I see, for example, of AOG, it's like 56%, right? So whoever is staking BSW is getting those rewards. I saw that also they had the IDO, which stands for Initial DEX Offering. So I saw that they had the Exobots, which is the Omen of Steel, which is a battle NFT game with sustainable play to earn. Because obviously, like, the whole market's going into more play to earn, so we see more of those situations. This actually ended, but it had 116% total raised of the target, and of the grand pool is 305%. So we're looking at almost 300,000 and here $2.3 million. That's pretty successful IDOs, I think, as looking at, you know, it's a lot of money which has been raised for those projects. Obviously you have the option for fixed staking as well. So this is obviously much lower percentage than the farms, but if someone likes it, you can grab a look here. You know, even like when you look at the earn dot, right? Stake dot to earn dot, 19%. That's pretty great percentage. That's around, you know, 1.5% a month, which is still better than, you know, most of the banks will give you. On top of it, they have options like lottery and competition, so you can actually buy lottery, get a chance to win. And at this one, for example, Biswap lottery, it's 5,500 in the lottery which you can win. So, you know, things which I think are a cool addition to the platform itself. And obviously they have the competition. So at this moment they have a B-Day intergalactic trading competition which ends in 6 days, so you can grab a look at that. Depends on what time obviously are you watching, what day are you watching this video. But then they also have the NFT launchpad and NFT earn, so you can stake as NFTs and get multiple tokens. So there is a lot of cool I think options which you can use. When you actually look at the roadmap, which when you scroll down to see in about and docs, you see that they have achieved a lot. And for me, I'm looking, okay, what the actual DEX did, what they promised, and what are they going for. So I see that, you know, they successfully did an NFT market, launchpad, which you can buy new tokens directly on Biswap, gamify integration, BSW holder pool, which allows you to get all those nice APYs, swap referral program activation, because they are the first DEX which offers multi-level commissions from the referrals. So that's, I think, also pretty good. BSW listing on Binance. Obviously, that's a big one, because to be listed on Binance, it's not a small thing, you know, being on the biggest exchange with the biggest liquidity in the world and actually have a partnership with them. And obviously, Squid NFT World, which I will cover in a separate video, as I just grab a look at that game, and I think it's pretty cool. So this is something which I'll cover on a separate, do not take too much time in this video. I can see that there's a lot of stuff in progress already. So they're doing a multi-chain, connecting new networks, listing on main exchanges. They're putting a new strategic partnership in fixed staking and Biswap marketplace version 2. But I can see that they have some things in plans as well, like daily tasks for users, multi-reward pool for BSW holders, and new innovative launchpad system. So lots of things I think will happen here. Also, I see what I saw kind of when I was reviewing that they have a bug bounty. So a bug bounty is a program offered by Biswap by which the platform can receive a compensation recognition for reporting bugs, especially those pertaining to security exploits and vulnerabilities. This is something which Google does and all the big companies, which they're actually sharing money with their token and giving you if you find something which doesn't work, which I think is great, because that literally shows that the platform wants to get better and better. So as you can see, there is a lot which you can do in Biswap. You can actually get a lot of nice percentages and a lot of money from the farms through the launch pools. You can also see the NFT launchpads, which had treasure chests sold out for 125 BSW, which was $50 at that time. So, you know, as you can see, a lot of things are happening, and I think, you know, being a part of it might give you some advantages, as it's a still small project. Obviously, with $45 billion, well, in crypto, I don't know if that's a small or not, but from what I see on the market cap, it's still pretty small. It can be much, much bigger when it will reach more people. So I hope that you can enjoy that. Remember, there is a link for you to register in the description of this video, so you can grab extra of trading fees. I think it's a nice perk for everyone. And well, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. So thanks to it, I can respond to those. And obviously, if you like this video, just leave a like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on. And well, see you in the next video. Take care.